I want to get a relation between the number of sides of a polygon n and the number of its diagonals. So here, if we're talking about the triangle has three sides. So we say that n equals 3. What is the number of diagonals in the triangle? Zero diagonals. What about this shape? This is a quadrilateral. And n, number of sides of the quadrilateral is 4 sides. What is the number of diagonals? The number of diagonals is 2, as you see here. And this shape is a pentagon. So n equals 5. 5 sides. I mean by 5 sides. And what is the number of diagonals in the pentagon? What is the number of diagonals? What?
9.
How?
5.
5. So the number of diagonals is 5. What about the hexagon? N equals 6.
9.
9. They are, count them, well, they are not, are they 9? Yes.
Yes.
The hexagon has 9 diagonals, okay? So let's talk about the triangular numbers again. What are they? It's 1, after 1, that's the first term, then 3, after that?
After 4.
No, 6.
6.
The triangular numbers. 1, 3, 6. After 6?
10.
10. You know, if we are talking about the third term, what is the third term? The third term here is 6. The third term in the triangular numbers is 6. What about the number of sides? If the polygon has 3 sides, so this shape is a triangle. What is the number of diagonals? 0. Let's go to the next triangular number, which is the fourth term. What is the fourth triangular number? The fourth triangular number is 10. And what is the polygon? What is the name of the polygon?
4.
Which has 4 sides. It's quadrilateral, so n equals 4. 4 sides. I mean by this 4 sides. What is the number of diagonals? 2. The number of diagonals 2. So I want to get a relation between them. As you see here, this 2, the diagonals, equals 10 minus 2 times 4. It's 10, the triangular number, minus 2 times 4, okay? If we're talking about the fifth triangular number, the fifth triangular number is 15, after 10, 15, okay? It's 15. What about the polygon of 5 sides? It's the pentagon. What the number of diagonals in the pentagon? 5. You know, how can we get this 5? I'm talking about this 5. How can we get it? 15
minus 2 times
minus 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, so 15 minus 10 equals 5. Let's go to the sixth triangular number. The sixth triangular number is 21. And the polygon of 6 sides is the hexagon. Okay, what is the number of diagonals of the hexagon? 9 diagonals. You know, how can we get this 9?
21
So
minus 2
say it
times
loudly. 21
minus 2 times 6.
21 minus 2 times 6 equals 9. That's right. So in general, what is the formula we can use to find the diagonals of a polygon? It's half n multiplied by n plus 1. That's the formula of the triangular number, minus 2 times n. Once again, it's half n multiplied by n plus 1 minus 2n, minus 2n. From the given tables, you observe that the number of diagonals is 2n less than the corresponding term of the sequence of triangular number. Deduce a formula to find the number of diagonals of a polygon of n sides. So the triangular number, the nth term of the triangular number is half n times n plus 1 minus 2n. That's the rule we have deduced. Okay. So do expanding. Half n times n equals what?
Half n to the power of 2.
And half n times 1, it will be what?
Half n.
Half n, then minus 2n. We can take n as a factor. So n, when we took n as a factor, you are left with half n
plus
and
half,
here we took n, so we have half, and here
2.
minus 2. That's right. Half minus 2 equals what? Half minus 2.
3 over
No,
3
it's minus 3 over 2.
minus 3 over 2.
So we ended up with n multiplied by. We can take half as a factor. We can take half as a factor. Okay.
Yeah.
It's half n minus 3, or we can say it's n multiplied by half n. It's n over 2 minus 3 over 2. Half n means n over 2. So it's n multiplied by. We have here the same denominator, which is 2. So we have at the top n minus 3. That's the formula we use. It's n multiplied by n minus 3 over 2. Okay.
Yeah.
So to find the number of diagonals of any polygon, we use this formula. So if I asked you about the number of diagonals of the pentagon, tell me diagonals of the pentagon. The pentagon.
5 times
5 sides. So it's 5 times 5 minus 3
3.
over 2. So it's 5 times 5 minus 3 equals 2 over 2. It will be what? 10 over 2, 5. If I asked about the octagon, in the octagon we have 8 sides. So it will be what? What is the rule?
8.
8, great.
Times 8.
Times 8 minus 3.
Minus 3.
Over 2. So it's 8 times 8 minus 3 equals 5 over 2. 8 times 5, 40.
40
Divided by 2,
20.
it's 20. That's right.